ASAP Systems, an inventory system provider for businesses of all sizes and a large variety of industries, including distribution, IT, fire and EMS departments, government entities, education, military installations, and many more. ASAP Systems and its best-in-class inventory system is doing its part to help children in need and contribute to a great cause by partnering with the nonprofit GROW Central Florida. GROW, or GrassRoots Outreach Within, works to promote environments that support increased opportunities for physical activity and healthy living for Central Florida school children. After receiving a generous donation of shoes, the small nonprofit was challenged with how to manage and track such a high volume of inventory at an off-site location. Additionally, with a less than tech-savvy and volunteer workforce, it was essential to have a user-friendly process that could be followed by anyone. ASAP Systems answered the call to help by donating their inventory system, providing GROW with the solution that they needed to effectively track and manage their inventory. Our user-friendly inventory system provided GROW Central Florida with a key range of intuitive inventory system features. Inventory receive features enabled them to easily receive and barcode shoe donations. The inventory issue feature enabled them to issue the donated shoes and automatically remove them from inventory. Inventory levels empowered them to track the available inventory. The inventory history helped manage what products had come in from what donor source and helped track what had gone out. Reporting enabled them to configure, run, and schedule inventory-related reports with information that matters the most. We at ASAP Systems aim to equip our customers with the latest innovations and technologies while maintaining ease of use and flexibility. Streamline your business using our barcode-based inventory system just like GROW Central Florida.